Decipher Shiba Inu. Elon Musk fools all Shiba Inu massive turnaround before the Shib news. Shiba Inu price today seemed like a clear path towards 738 cents. The decline started to accelerate on the back of last week's U.S. Federal Reserve and European Central Bank meetings. Traders thought they had finished the year after an eventful week before the Bank of Japan surprised markets on Tuesday and made many G7 currencies lose more than 3% against the Japanese yen. This coordinated devaluation of the euro, US dollar, British pound, and other currencies is artificially pulling down cryptocurrencies, which are gaining value against these weaker currencies. In this video, we are going to talk about Elon Musk fooling us all massive Shiba Inu transformation in front of today's Shib news. Don't forget to smash your thumbs, share, and subscribe to our channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price prediction and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's start the video. The Shiba Inu price was set to continue its sharp decline from December and did so with another 4% loss on Monday. Shib price action reversed on Monday, and Shiba Inu bulls took more than 3% of the losses incurred on Monday, flirting with the opportunity to pay them off in full. This would be a huge bullish turn if this week's price action can be converted into a green candle on the weekly chart. Therefore, Shib needs to break higher, preferably above 900 cents. Once this area is secured and the bulls can pursue this rally, the 55-day SMA is an ideal candidate for profit-taking near 972 cents. This means that an 18% price increase could be on the cards for the week around Christmas. The issue for the bulls comes as markets may be in for a negative surprise, as most of the tail risk for 2022 will linger into 2023. Central banks have not been able to significantly reduce inflation, the conflict in Ukraine has not ended, and the EU is still struggling for supplies. Energy, all of these items will continue to put downward pressure and could push Uber and its price back towards 738 cents. The long-awaited countdown for the Shiba Inu has come to an end, but its outcome is not the Shibuya promotion that many had hoped. A few days ago, a mysterious countdown appeared on Shib's official website, causing the community to speculate as to what it might lead to. Several users have suggested that the ad may be related to the meme currency's upcoming barium promotion. Shibain's perspective sizing solution will improve the efficiency of Shib ecosystems and provide cheaper and faster transactions for users. The network will prove the stake consensus system, much like the first Ethereum layer. This means that Shiba Inu holders can get some coins and become validators on the chain once the second layer solution is activated. However, although investors were hoping Countdown would be a build on the much-hyped dream, the announcement turned out to be just an update to the official website. Some members of the community took to Twitter and expressed their displeasure over the revelation, which caused the developers to walk out and address the situation. Kusama, the lead developer of the project, said she apologized to followers of the Shib, noting that the developer fully understands how misleading the countdown can be. Although I'm not in control of this, I apologize for any confusion. Stay tuned, Kusama said. Commented Safia, one of the team members who worked on Shib. We understand that some might be upset that you were expecting an update on the long-awaited Shibuya. Realistically, we can't launch everything at once. Safia only hinted a couple of days ago that the countdown reveal would be a website update, as the developer tweeted. The first thing is to update our main site. It was much needed, and this is our first step as we go towards the Shiba Farms beta launch. While Shiba Inu holders may be disappointed about the reveal, there's been some positive news for them recently. Shib was one of the most watched cryptocurrencies on Binance in 2020, and the massive popularity of Shiba Inu cannot be denied, as Shiba joined two dominant blockchains as one of the three most watched crypto assets in 2022. According to Binance, the Shiba token is already a token. It is a huge factor in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, as evidenced by the large reserves of Shib through centralized exchanges that mirror users' holdings. According to CoinMarketCap data, Shib holds nearly $500 million in Binance reserves, nearly $300 million in Crypto.com, and over $36 million in KO coins. As a general rule, The Shiba token is one of the highest holdings of any 6 major tokens after excluding BTCC, C and E, and in some cases, the original token of the exchange. The Shiba team is not content with meme currency being a popular but passive asset. As reported by ABC News, the community is preparing for the imminent arrival of the Shiba Inu Layer 2 blockchain, which will be the backbone of the Shiba ecosystem and includes exchanges, metaverse, and FTX games, FADAO, etc. It took more than 40 hours. But Elon Musk finally acknowledged the results of his public poll in which he called for stepping down as CEO of Twitter. "I will resign as CEO as soon as I find someone foolish enough to take the job," Musk tweeted on Tuesday night. "Next, I will only run the software and service team." The admission follows a poll that Musk himself launched, in which some 17 million Twitter users, or 57.5% of those surveyed, said they supported Musk's resignation. Musk did not immediately publicly accept the results, which he said he would, but he has questioned the validity of the poll. It wasn't just anonymous Twitter users who wanted Musk to step down. The outside investors also called on Musk to focus less on Twitter and more on Tesla. They've seen the drama on Twitter distract Musk from his most lucrative business at Tesla, which has seen its share price plunge in recent weeks. Musk has long said he wants to eventually step down as CEO of Twitter, so it's unclear why he's not willing to accept the poll results, calling on him to end his chaotic reign as company chairman rather than commenting on the results from the poll and hours after it ends. Musk took to Twitter Monday morning, encouraged questions about whether the results are legitimate. He was engaged in a Twitter thread by a user suggesting that the deep state's army of bots was rigging polls against him. Musk responded to another user in the same thread who suggested he only paid Twitter subscribers. Blue should be able to vote in polls. He said Twitter would make the change. Polls were the preferred tactic in Musk's erratic leadership style for making key decisions on Twitter when he polled users over whether Twitter should reinstate former U.S. President Donald Trump's account. For example, Musk quickly accepted the results in favor of reinstating Trump. Hours after polls closed, Musk tweeted that people had spoken up and reinstated Trump's account. But this time, Musk dragged his feet. On Tuesday, Musk responded to a tweet from market research firm HarrisX, which conducted its poll and found that 61% want Musk to stay. Musk complained about Twitter bots before he bought the platform. At the time, he tried to use the platform's bot problem as an excuse to get out of the deal. But since taking office, Musk said he has cleared Twitter of excess bots. He puzzled then that he would poll on Twitter about the fate of his leadership if he did not have complete confidence in its validity. But then again, it was always part of Musk's plan to find a replacement Twitter CEO. Recently, in November, he told a Delaware court, "I expect to shorten my time on Twitter and find someone else to run Twitter over time." However, part of what appears to be holding Musk back is that he hasn't seen a good alternative. Nobody wants the job that can actually keep Twitter alive. "There's no successor," Musk tweeted on Sunday. Then on Tuesday, he responded with a laughing emoji in a recent WNBC story stating that he's actively looking for a new CEO. So after setting an artificial deadline to do something he really wanted, Musk appears ready to take the next step. This is the wrap today. Don't forget to smash your thumbs, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.